Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and whether Notes uses iCloud or on my Mac so you know where deletions apply. Open Notes and choose the account holding the notes you want to remove. You must be in the right account to avoid accidental loss. If any note is important, export it or copy it to Files Now. Once deleted, recovery may be limited, so make a quick backup before proceeding to selective or bulk removal. Now remove the notes you no longer need. Click a note, or use Shift-click and Command-click to pick several. You can also use Edit Select All to grab every note in a folder, then press Delete or right-click and choose Delete. This moves them to Recently Deleted. Once done, open Recently Deleted and permanently erase them by choosing Delete All or emptying individual items. Make sure you really want them gone. Permanently deleted notes can't be restored from the app after this step. Finish by checking syncing. If deletions propagated unexpectedly, disable iCloud Notes in System Settings Apple ID to stop further changes. Recover accidentally deleted notes from recently deleted within 30 days, or use a time machine backup if you keep one. This explains why backing up earlier matters. If Notes behaves oddly, items not deleting or reappearing, sign out and back into your Apple ID or remove and re-add.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.